Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. And gosh, what a crazy market here. So what am I looking at here? I am looking at that we have a potential head and shoulders reversal, believe it or not, in the stock indexes here. I don't think it'll last long, but I do think that, with the amount that we have fallen here, and the closing pattern that we had here, it is time for a little bit of a pop and a little bit of continued follow through. Of course, we've got more votes going on in the Senate and stuff like that too, but this is a pattern that I have seen a lot in 2008, 2009. Typically, it's good for a pretty voracious continuation bounce. All right, so I'm actually looking for a little bit more follow through to the upside there. Some of my favorite sectors here. I'm not playing financials, even though they had a good bounce. I love the semis here. You can see semis here, nice breakthrough today. Again, I'm not looking that this is the bottom, but I do think we can actually come up and give a little kiss to that 21 EMA, and then XLK as well, another one up nearly 11%. So really, really fantastic moves there. And then from there, there was, work. This is one that was pretty fun. We've been playing this one in our trading room and had a nice move there. And the question is can this pull a zoom? Now, I was trading zoom. Man, I got out of this way too early, although I'm really glad I did now. We caught a really, really nice move in here in our trading room where we had the squeeze setting up. Got in and then got out here, and at the time it looked like a genius move for 2 days. Like, wow, this thing's gone from 117 to like 135, and then yesterday I was like, dear Lord. But of course I also would not want to be holding on to it today because it started off pretty rough. But the point of all that is, you trade your plan. You never know exactly how high something is going to go, but the goal here is like, here's the squeeze, let's go to the 1272, bada boom, bada bing, and move on. And then from there, you're seeing about the same pattern across the board in a lot of these stocks. A lot of these stocks have been sold off pretty hard. We're seeing kind of the similar head and shoulders type reversals in a lot of these stocks. So it makes sense here that we can get a little bit more follow through to the upside, and then from there we will see. All right, so if you aren't aware, we have a trading room, and in the trading room it's myself, but there's a group of us, 3, 6, 9, 11, and 12, and we're rotating throughout the day. We have a continuous webinar going on as the markets are open, and we're posting our trades. And we're not only posting our, it's time stamped, we're posting them, but they also go out as push notifications on your phone. So you don't necessarily have to be in the room or for your computer. You can also look at it from your iPhone or Android and stuff like that too. So if you're unaware of this, this is the kind of market where you can thrive and do well, but the main thing is just you don't want to get run over, right? We've been doing this a long time. We've seen this movie before. We know how it ends, okay, in terms of risk control, in terms of what to look for, in terms of reversals, in terms of, what kind of trades to do. I'll show you one of my favorite trades right now. And so there's two accounts I trade. One is the bigger account you just saw, but I also trade a smaller account, like it's a $10,000 account for people that have smaller accounts. My favorite trade right now is this one right here, the June $100 puts on the euro, which is FXE. That's an ETF. I'm looking for this. We bought it for $1.75. I'm expecting to be able to sell that for $4 to $5 by the time this is over. And the reason for that is there's a shortage of dollars, and this is like one of the cleanest swing trades that are out there. But in addition, like on Amazon, while of course I can buy calls and buy stock in my big account, on the small account here, we just sold a put spread, the 1800 1795 for 250, 3 contracts, good for $700. All right, so small account, large account, there's strategies for everyone. All right, so we are having a limited window where you can sign up for our services and get a little bit of extra stuff here. So again, if you go to simplertrading.com/alert, our room here, it's $197 a month, $547 a quarter, or you can go annually at $1,970. For the monthly service, you get access to the the live trading room. You get the instant mobile alerts if you can't be in front of your computer. Every night we do a recap, and of course there's a group of us, 12 of us, so we've got, you can kind of see who kind of meshes the most with your own strategy. And what's nice about this though too is that it is a private community, meaning, it's not, like if you post on Twitter, or Facebook, and there's just all this horrific commentary and stuff like that. We don't have that because, first of all, typically if people are paying, they're interested in learning. It's not just like a free anybody can come in. And then secondly, we can kind of mute people that are being mean to people. You can be mean to me, that's fine, but it's a safe place for traders. We're not talking about politics or anything like that. We are focused on trying to make money. If you want to do quarterly, you can also get access to a trading psychology and money management course thrown in. And if you want to do annual, I'm going to be doing a live market internals class on how to trade this environment. And so you can take advantage of that. I'll be doing that class in about next week, so when this counts down. So anyway, if you aren't aware of this, give it a try. Again, we've been doing this. I've been trading for over like 30 years now, so this is not new, what we're seeing here. And the goal with this is to make money. It's not to be right, it's to make money, okay? Hope it helps. You guys have a good one. See you at the next update.